Hey guys, it's Zaina. So I have got VIP for a week. So I've got Star VIP for a week. I have got this one. It's being so glitchy, there's so many people online. I've got this one. And I got 3,000, but I got like 1,000 in my piggy bank, so I got 4,000. And I have bought 2 outfits so far, so I've bought this one that I've got on now, and then I have also bought, God, I can't get this off. I've also bought this outfit, which is very simple, but it's really nice, so yeah. Basically the video today is going to be about like what VIPs do basically. So one thing that they do is go shopping for clothes. They also go shopping for animations, so I'm gonna look for animations and yeah, see what MSP I've got. I'm just gonna refresh first because it's really glitchy on this. Hope it's not glitchy again. Oh god. Oh wow. I'm like so poor. I had 2,000 star coins before I bought this outfit. Like, what? And yet I'm so annoyed with myself. Because if you can see here, I've like not done like the right colour for my shoes. I'll show you now. So you see that this is all like navy blue. But when you come to the shoes, they are the wrong colour. Look, they've got like a different blue on the bottom bit when they're supposed to be all navy, so that ruins my outfit a bit, I guess. There we go. Okay. Also, a shout out to all my friends for being my friends because anyway, okay, this girl asks me for a shout out, cause, yeah. Okay. She's gonna be in the shout outs at the end, you know. My shout outs are rubbish, so you know. But yeah, shout out to all my friends. Okay, this guy's really nice, so go and add him, guys. VIPs will also change their face because they can get like the VIP lips and that. So I choose this face, and before I think it was like them eyes because I didn't change the eyes, and it was like these lips in this colour, and I had this look, but I way prefer my look now. Like, I looked so bad then. Yeah, I think my look now looks better. I also done another video on my channel of different looks. Okay, so you guys who haven't like been VIP and seen the VIP club, it's not that interesting, but I guess it could be to you as you've never seen it. So I'm going to show you it. And yes, VIPs do go to this club, and sometimes, kind of rare, people do diamond rides, so I'm going to see if I can get someone to do it today. Okay, so because there's not many people in this chat room, it might not be laggy if someone does it. Can someone please do the diamond ride for my video? is boring. I'm going to go to the California one. I'm going to go there too. No, actually I'm not. Please. Oh my god, no one's doing it. What? She just says hi YouTube and then goes. Hey. Can you do the D-ride? It's for my vid. Oh, damn it, why is it in tags? Why? Can someone do the diamond ride? It's for my vid. There are only a few in here. I don't know why I'm reading it out. I know you can read, you know. I'm gonna stop it until someone does it. Okay, so Jacob Sartorius asked me to be my friend. Oh, I'm gonna go into the mall. Most people do it in the mall. So, oh, what? She texted me, I think. Night and... Never mind. I know you're like, oh, you have enough money for it. But, you know. This chat is so dead. Oh, what? Why is it glitching? Oh my god. This is like, ooh. Sorry about that. The screen's like doing that. Okay. By the way, shout out to all these people. This is failing. I'm gonna see who people are kind in this world, this MSP world. I'm so scared, because look. I've been hacked. I don't want to be hacked. I've just got VIP. This VIP lasts till next Monday. Oh, I don't like it. I should have done a video when I got VIP, shouldn't I? Oh well. Someone, I'm gonna actually copy this. To the diamond. Move, I can't see. Diamond ride. You know what? All them YouTubers have $1 million money. That doesn't make sense. Loads of money, and then I'm just like, oh. Okay, I need to copy and paste this. Copy. Oh. Copy. Woohoo. This is actually like a test to see who is nice here. Like, you know. I'm just gonna keep on saying this. Oh my god. Okay guys, so you know that every time that when you see a VIP Don't always ask them for your wish list because not all of them are rich. I mean, look at how much money I have. So yeah. I couldn't get anyone to do the diamond ride, so I might do it for another video one day. And yeah, so see you in the next video. Bye!